back to Cousin John Car Stuff. Little bit different video, little bit different background. Introducing you to Mitsi, the Mirage, 2001 Mirage, 203,000 miles, original engine, transmission, no modifications. The history behind her is that she was bought in 2009, and my daughter drove her for 10 years. 2 years ago, she got a newer car with more safety features, etc. So now I have Mitsi as a backup car. If I come out, my car doesn't start. Instead of calling a rental company, I can jump in Mitsi and go. If the wife's car doesn't start, she can take mine, and then I've got Mitsi to drive. No accidents, no mishaps, just all original, no touch-ups, just a decent example of a 21-year-old car. So, I did a recent video, how long does 3-year window tint last? And this tint here was put on in 2009 in April. I installed it myself, held up for 12 years. And then I stripped and redid this window, just grabbed a piece of tint, slapped it on there. The difference being light transmittance after 12 years is 46%, with new tint 32%. Now what I missed before I started my channel was the back window. It was bubbling and just appearing real bad, as they do. Here's the other side. Driver's window faces to the west. Most always been parked outside, not garage kept. Now what you could use coming up in the future, well, as you can see, the black paint around the door frames has faded out, and you can see the chrome trim, which did have black paint at one time. Debating about leaving it chrome or putting it back to the original color. And I did an older video, repair or replace. So Mitsi's a good example of this. On her best day in today's crazy car resale market, she could maybe bring 2,000. So let's go over what was done the past few years on her. I believe it was 3-4 years ago. New struts all the way around. New motor mounts, transmission mounts, timing belt, water pump. Oh, heavens. Just last year, redid a couple of outer tie rod ends. And what does she require now? Well, cosmetic stuff. Like I say, the trim around the doors. Some hubcaps or wheel covers would be kind of nice. Let's get into the real stuff. So what she has is service engine soon, which is the second O2 sensor. The fuel gauge doesn't work. We go off the trip odometer as far as when to refill. The glove box hinges. New tires, be due for new tires before too long. Probably another year maybe. So we're looking about $300 for tires, because the size on them is, oh heck, let's see here. Tire size is 175, 65, 14. Those shouldn't be too expensive. Let's say $300. to get the O2 sensor done, parts and labor, maybe $100, $150, so we're up to $450. The fuel gauge may be the thing that goes in the fuel tank. That might be $100, $150, so we're up to $600. There's some other loose ends. Oh, passenger window doesn't go down. That's a window regulator. I think I've got a place could do window regulator for maybe $75. So all in and done, everything that has to be done I haven't thought of. I'd guess $800. But where can you get a car today that's had struts, brakes, front suspension work, motor mounts, transmission mounts, tires, fuel gauge now working, window regulator, fresh window tint, etc. for a total of what's required now, maybe $800, $900, along with recent timing belt, water pump, and all the previous work as well. So yeah, there's more in it than what it could be worth, but what we consider is there's folks that say if the car is worth $1,500 to $2,000 and it takes $900 to fix it, or even if it takes $2,000 to put it back in shape, get rid of it and buy something else. At the end of the day, though, here we have a nice, reliable, economical car that recent work that she needs might be $900, along with all the previous work that was done. So think about it. We're going to keep Mitzi for a few more years. I know the question will come up, well, what if she blows an engine or transmission? Deal with that when the time comes. But given the service history, she should have many more miles left in her, so that's what we got. Anyways, I'll post updates at various times, just what the progress is as far as tear her apart and put her back together. You don't get that here on this channel. I've got limited knowledge of that stuff. Body work, take a wrecked car and rebuild it. Don't do this on this channel because I've not got anywhere near the knowledge. But just thought I'd introduce you to Mitzi. Final touch is just repaint the slap some spray paint on the wiper arms, bring those to where they're presentable again. So here you go, Mitzi the Mirage 2001, turning 21 in just a few months. Thanks for coming by. Take care, everyone.